should we follow passion or trend? Thank you so much for this question. This is an amazing question. Again, I get this question: should we follow passion or trend? That the challenge with the trend is that trend comes and goes all the time. So right now, Instagram could be in trend. So for example, TikTok was in trend. Everyone was making TikTok videos, and then the TikTok was banned on one single day. So right now, making videos or going live is in trend, but it might not be in trend anymore. The only way you can actually survive in this ever-changing world is that you actually follow your passion, follow what you like, even if your passion is in something that's very traditional. For example, if your passion is in agriculture, right? If you like farming, do it. If you like of course, look at what are the opportunities out there. That's why I talk about this SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. First identify what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, where your passion lies, and then compare it with the market. Look at the opportunities and threats, and then combine both of them. If you would just look at opportunities and threats and see that everyone is doing good in it, and you just go in there without looking at your strengths or opportunities or threats, sorry, your strengths and your weaknesses, if you don't look at your passion, then you might be following the trend, but the challenge is that you would not be satisfied with your career. And if you are not satisfied with what you are doing, you will never be able to excel in it. That's my guarantee. Like, no matter how good you are at with something, but if you don't enjoy doing it, you will not be able to sustain for a long time.